vlog. Hello, no? So for today's video, compare natin yung max speed sa first gear kapag naka low mode sa full mode or yung rain mode versus road or sports mode, no? So I think gamit ko road mode kasi ito, full power pa din naman to, pero yung traction control niya is 2, so medyo makapit ko siya. Then yung rain mode kasi around 60% lang ata yung power na ginagamit, unlike this one na full power. So tatry natin yung max speed nila, and I mean yung max speed, tama, max speed, saka yung may hit nila yung 100 kph. Okay, so balik ako mamaya.